G'day everyone. Western Australia has some very strict quarantine laws. However, we've had some invasive species, not only the polyphagous shot-hole borer, which is killing our trees. Just down the road is an infestation of Queensland fruit fly. Hasn't got here yet, hopefully it won't, but they're a really nasty fruit fly. We get the Mediterranean fruit fly here, so I'm going to do something about it. I bought a stack of these bags from Temu, and we're going to take our persimmon here for a start, and we're going to start bagging up our fruit. So you can see here, got a couple on there. Let's just tuck that in there, and all we got to do is put this up here, pull our drawstring, and we'll loop it around there a couple of times. And last year, that actually saved all my persimmons. Got no fruit fly in them at all, which is different to what we've had in the past. I'm going to have to get my clippers. Stay there. So where we've got the leaves that are too long on there, we'll just chop them off. Make it a bit easier to bag our fruit up. Tie that up around the branch above it. And where else have we got some? Sometimes we'll have to take a reasonable length of branch off, but that's fine. Still got a lot more to do, but I've got to go out and get some more bags. But come in and have a closer look at the way I've tied them up. So here we go. We've got them sitting down at the bottom of the bag. I'll just loosen that off again. Oops, that's the wrong one. But I've tied them up to a branch sort of above the bag. If I tied it to this branch, it could slip down and we'd end up with the bag either falling off or the fruit fly getting in very easily. So we try and pull that as tight as we can, tie it up to a branch above it so that it's always pulling down and drawing that drawstring tight. So I've got about another 20 fruit to do on here. I better go and get some more bags. Now, if you remember, I cut this way back in winter, and this is all lovely new growth, and it's fruited beautifully. So heavy pruning, bagging the fruit to keep the fruit fly out. Hopefully we'll have a good harvest. I'll get on with it. But enjoy life. Catch you in the garden.